In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to duplicate a design here in Canva. Now, this is really easy to do. Once you have your design that you want to duplicate, you want to come up to here to the left-hand side where it says File. If we click on here, then come down to Make a Copy and click that, it's then going to create a duplication of that design and in a brand new tab. Now, the other way to duplicate a design is to come over to the home page, find the design that you want to duplicate, click on the three dots, then go to Make a Copy. Then it's going to duplicate your design here, and to go through to that, you just simply click on there, and it's going to open in a new tab. So that's how to duplicate a design here in Canva. Now, for more bite-sized Canva tutorials, click right here and watch this playlist.